Uh, I've been working with data for some time, but with this session, basically I wanted to understand more about the tools and technologies that we can use to interpret data and get meaningful results out of it. I won't say they were good, they were excellent. For the simple reason is that I've attended many of instructor-led sessions earlier, but this session is different is because of the examples that are used. So the examples make more relevant to the topics that you talk about. If you use more of examples, it becomes easier for us to correlate with the topics and the points that are discussed. Absolutely 100%. I would surely recommend, at least for my team, we will have 100% participation in the upcoming sessions as and when it happens. From our organization, we'll have more participants coming. One, don't get into a mindset when you look at data. Come with a clean mindset. It becomes easier for you to analyze and come up with some of the outcomes that is required. The other takeaway for me is keep it simple. As simple as it is, it becomes easier for us to comprehend things. I think this is the IIM culture that's Flame is bought into, because I've been attending some sessions in different campuses, but there you have a different structure altogether. This is much more pleasant, and there is a diversified student force here. And the best part of this is that it's very eco-friendly. I see a lot of plastics being banned, and it's totally a green surrounding, and that motivates you and gives you the positive energy when you walk into this campus.